Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we are going to unwrap this surprise package that I just received in the mail today from our friend Shaun. I assume all the way from the United Kingdom, Great Britain, England, whatever it is called these days. There was a note here that says, "Hey Joe, I came across this lighter with your name on it. Check it out. Peace, Shaun." So thank you, Shaun, in advance. I'm not sure exactly what we're going to discover here, but I am glad to open it up and find out. It is always an honor to receive something in the mail from a viewer, subscriber, or simply just a friend that we've made on the internet over the course of the last 6 years dealing with old petrol lighters. So we have got all this bubble wrap removed, which Shaun had it packaged very nicely for the long trip from England to Oklahoma in the United States of America. Got two components here. Oh, and look at that. That is a beautiful lighter, Shaun. And I'm just now realizing, when I see those holes on the base, that this is a Cygnus lighter that I have not previously owned and do not have in my collection. If I can find a pair of scissors here, or maybe I can just pull the electric tape off of there. Outstanding, Shaun. I cannot tell you how grateful I am to receive this and how long I've been after one of these. So what we have here is a Cygnus table lighter. Two holes there, set straight down on the base. So it is basically a pocket-sized lighter that they fit with the two holes so that it would receive the base and thus becomes a table model. This is a very clean lighter, Shaun. Very good condition. Does appear that it might be used, but not excessively. The wick has some dust and debris in there, but not terrible. There is tension on the flint wheel or fire wheel, whatever you choose to call it. We'll back our flint spring carriage out of here, and that releases the pressure, and there is the flint, which, though it looks like it, oh no, looks fairly clean. Maybe a little bit of dust on it. So I'm not sure if that's been in there or if Shaun put it in there. Maybe we can talk about that as I am recording this video. I'm also preparing for the live stream here a little bit later this morning. So hopefully Shaun will be in attendance and maybe shed a little bit more light on this lighter. See that it sparks just fine. The thumb roller flint tension mechanism system all seems to be working good. There's a few scuffs, dings, that kind of stuff, which is pretty much on every lighter that I've ever dealt with. Not everyone, but you know the story. I'm a salvage kind of guy, so a little bit of ding here, small dent there, scuffs, scratches, that kind of thing does not bother me a bit. And this particular lighter is in extraordinary condition. I've got a lot of Cygnuses, and you know, they range from, well, I don't have one that's in mint condition right at the moment. I traded that one away for the Scrimshaw Slim that I later sold to Dylan DePie. But I do have others that are in pretty good condition, but I don't know if I have one that's in any better condition than this one. I note the scuffs, scratches, that sort of thing, but it's in really nice condition, and I have no complaints. I would have no complaints even if it did, even if it had a scratch right across every side of it. This is fantastic, Shaun, and I look forward to using this. And of course, we will have a show and tell video, and who knows what other kind of videos for this particular lighter. But one of the cool things about this one, this particular table model, is you can have it fueled up, sitting there for use in your workshop, your kitchen, your living room, wherever it is that you might typically light up at, where there might be a table on which it can sit. But then when it's time to go, you can simply remove it from its base, stick it in your pocket, and take it with you. So you can see there it is marked. We can get the right orientation here. Marked Penguin. Well, I'm having a hard time. Yeah, there you go. Penguin and Cygnus. And then it looks like Pat, P-A-T, period. And then my eyes can't focus on that, but I'm sure that says 364149, the typical patent number for a Penguin Cygnus lighter. You will see them with other brands, especially some of the table models or otherwise embellished pocket lighters. But this is going to be a permanent part of my personal collection. And Shaun, I can't thank you enough, my friend. I'm thrilled to own this lighter. We'll make it our shop lighter, and I'm certainly in your debt for it. Until next time.